dancing? 10. Yay! You want to show everybody how you play with your... How do you take these apart? Show me how you take those apart. Yeah, come on, try harder. You can do it. You shy? Ooh. Try again. No, don't you go like this. Hold on. Here, try with these. You dancing? Oh, you found Brown Bear. You want to read Brown Bear? Is that Brown Bear? Excited about it? I'll read it to you. Okay. Say bye-bye. Thank you. Kisses? Want to blow kisses? Oh, come on. Mwah. Blow kiss. Mwah. Or eat the book. Okay, bye-bye.